Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm back again with a super hit recipe of chicken chili today. You might have made this many times, I'm sure, in your kitchen, but do try my version of chicken chili. I bet you'll love it and forget the original way of making Chinese chicken chili. First twist is that I boil the chicken with sauces, not fry them. So let's have a look at the ingredients. See, I've taken 800 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of, half teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I love it this way. I've taken ginger, garlic, green chili together fresh, chopped it together and done it for 1 teaspoon. Salt will be according to your taste. Half Nor chicken stock. You can take Maggi or any local brand available. Turmeric powder, a pinch only. Half cup of water. Don't take more water. To boil the chicken, take all the chicken pieces in a pot, add all the ingredients for boiling along with half cup of water. Mix it well, close the lid and cook it for 15 minutes or till you think 90% the chicken is cooked. Now you can see my pot, the chicken is cooked and there's only very little water remaining. In case you see there's more water in your pot, then just cook for 2 more minutes on high flame. The water reduces by itself. Keep it aside and now let's have a look at the ingredients for the chili. Firstly, what I did was in a chopper I took 1 whole garlic, 3 inches of ginger and 3 green chilies and chopped it together. The same mix I have used while boiling the chicken instead of ginger garlic paste. So you can also do the same. Trust me, it gives the best flavor. Let me now show you the quantity of the ingredient. See, I've taken the boiled chicken. I've taken 3 large onions, 1 medium capsicum diced, ginger garlic green chili mix, chopped coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. I did not have green, so I have taken red. Salt only if you require because soy sauce already has the salt. Vinegar 1 tablespoon, pinch of red color, this is optional. In a non-stick pan, you can take the oil. Once it's nice and hot, add the thick slices of onions. Saute this for 2 minutes on high flame, as Chinese is always cooked on high flame to get that smoked flavor. Keep stirring. Now add the dices of capsicum. Saute it. Also add ginger, garlic and green chili mixed together. Again 2 more minutes before adding the sauces. Measurement of the ingredients I have given in the description box below, so do check it out from there. Here I have added all the sauces now and also check the salt, add if required only. Give a good mix, continue cooking it on the high flame. Color is totally optional. I like it red, that's why I have added it. Now see, I have added the boiled chicken pieces along with the water what was there in that. Give a mix, close the lid and cook it for another 5 minutes or till the chicken is done. Please do add the spring onion greens here along with coriander leaves. I did not have them, so I didn't add it here. Mix well, garnish with ginger julienne. See, on the other side I was making garlic rice. This goes the best combination with chicken chili. Please do make this at home. Let me know how it turns for you. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. And this was my yummy lunch plate with chicken chili on top. Chicken chili on top of the flavorful garlic rice. Time for my extra points here. Normally in Chinese dishes, they use ajinomoto for extra taste, but I do not advise it. That is not good for health. That's why I substituted with chicken stock. And also one more thing, make sure that you don't add more water when boiling the chicken because it leaves its own water. As we still continue to fight with this virus, COVID-19, let's stay home and keep ourselves safe. Take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.